In this age of selfies and social media, having a sparkling white smile is more crucial than ever. However, with the many different teeth options for whitening that are available and in the market, it's difficult to select the most effective method to get a secure and efficient outcome. Professional teeth whitening is among of the most sought-after methods to get a more white smile. Contrary to the over-the-counter products for whitening, professional whitening is done by a dentist within a safe and controlled setting that ensures safety as well as efficiency. Let's shine some of the light on professional tooth whitening and discover the safe and efficient methods used by dentists. What are the benefits of professional teeth whitening? Before diving into the methods used for professional dental whitening, we should be aware of the reasons for choosing this option instead of home-based whitening kits. Whitening your teeth professionally can provide many benefits, such as 1. Individualized treatment. Dental professionals examines your oral health and tailors the treatment according to your individual requirements. The customized approach will ensure that you get the most effective outcomes without harming the gums and teeth. 2. More powerful whitening agents. Professional products for whitening contain greater amounts of whitening agents, like hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, in comparison with over-the-counter solutions. You can get an even whiter smile in less time. 3. More efficient results. When you use professional teeth whitening services, you will see noticeable improvements after only one session. Sometimes, several sessions might be needed in order to attain your desired degree of whiteness. However, the effects are generally long-lasting. Effective and safe methods used for professional teeth whitening. After we've discovered the advantages of professional teeth whitening, we'll look at the safe and efficient methods used by dentists to enhance your smile. 1. In-office whitening. In-office whitening, also referred to as chairside whitening, is the most popular procedure for professional whitening. In this process, a dentist applies a high-concentration whitening gel on the teeth and then activate the gel using a specific laser or light. The gel is absorbed by the enamel, breaking down the stains and discoloration. This results in an improved smile. The average time for in-office whitening is 1 hour, with immediately the results following your session. There are some who feel tooth pain following or during the procedure. However, this can be short-term and is easily treated by using desensitizing toothpaste or gels. 2. Kits to take home for whitening. Kits for whitening at home are another well-known option for professional whitening. The dentist can provide the trays that you have designed and an whitening gel that you can use at your home. It is necessary to use the tray for a specific period of time every day, typically over a couple of hours or even overnight, to get the best outcomes. Kits for whitening at home can be a cost-effective and convenient method to brighten your teeth, particularly if you want to do it at the convenience at home. Results may take longer to appear compared to at-office whitening, but the method is secure and efficient. 3. Whitening with combination. Certain dental practices provide a mix of at-home and in-office whitening procedures to achieve the best outcomes. This method lets you take advantage of the instant whitening benefits of an in-office procedure as well as enhancing and maintaining the results at home. Combination whitening is usually advised for those who have discoloration or stains that are persistent, which may not be responsive to one whitening technique. The dentist will develop an individual treatment plan that is based on your individual requirements and the desired result. Tips to follow prior to and following professional dental whitening. Although professional teeth whitening can be an effective and safe procedure, however, there are certain precautions to take prior to and following treatment in order to get optimal results as well as avoid possible adverse negative effects. Prior to undergoing professional whitening, ensure that you plan a dental examination to determine if there are any dental health problems that could influence the process of whitening. Talk about your goals with your dentist in order to make sure your treatment plan is in line with your expectations. Follow the instructions of your dentist regarding pre-treatment treatment, including avoidance of certain drinks and foods which can cause staining to your teeth. Following professional whitening, it is important to maintain healthy dental hygiene habits, such as flossing and brushing frequently. Avoid drinking highly colored beverages and foods like tea, coffee, as well as red wine to stop new staining from developing. Make sure to attend follow-up appointments with your dentist in order to review your results and discuss any issues or adverse effects. Professional teeth bleaching is an effective and efficient method to get an attractive smile that lasts for a long time with lasting outcomes. If you choose a dentist for the procedure, and you will benefit from personalized treatment and stronger whitening products as well as faster outcomes. Be sure to adhere to the recommendations of your dentist for treatment and follow-up care in order for a positive result. Get rid of stained teeth and welcome sparkling teeth with professional teeth bleaching.